Don't let confusing signs make you fail the DMV driving test. Learn these 50 most missed U.S. road signs and pass with confidence. Okay, let's jump in. Guess this traffic sign. A. No pedestrians crossing. B. End of a pedestrian zone. Great start. That is the no pedestrians crossing sign. Identify this road sign. A. School zone. B. School crosswalk ahead. Excellent. It is the school crosswalk ahead sign. What is this road sign? A. Yield at roundabout. B. Yield. Good observation. It is the yield at roundabout sign. Name this traffic sign. A. No vehicle over indicated gross weight. B. Weight limit. Correct. It is the weight limit sign. Guess this road sign. A. School zone. B. School bus stop ahead. Exactly. It is the school bus stop ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Side road, left. B. T intersection. Well spotted. It is the side road left sign. What does this sign mean? A. Narrow bridge. B. Drawbridge ahead. Right. It is the drawbridge ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Steep grade hill percentage. B. Slow moving vehicles. Excellent. It is the steep grade hill percentage sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Rumble strips. B. Uneven surface. Perfect. It is the uneven surface sign. What is this road sign? A. Narrow bridge. B. Narrow underpass. Exactly. It is the narrow underpass sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Roundabout circulation, plaque. B. Roundabout. Good catch. It is the roundabout circulation plaque sign. Guess this road sign. A. Parking area. B. Parking permitted, 24/7 variant. Right. It is the parking permitted 24/7 variant sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Slow moving vehicle. B. Farm vehicles. Well spotted. It is the slow moving vehicle sign. Identify this road sign. A. Truck route sign. B. Truck entrance. Well spotted. That is the truck entrance sign. Guess this road sign. A. Curve, right. B. Turn, right. Right. It is the curve right sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Double side roads, right. B. Offset side roads. Perfect. It is the offset side road sign. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Bison area. B. Cattle area. Correct. It is the cattle area sign. Guess this road sign. A. Playground zone. B. School zone. Well spotted. It is the playground zone sign. Identify this road sign. A. Traffic signal photo enforced. B. Traffic signal ahead. Right. It is the traffic signal photo enforced sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Hill, bike. B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. Exactly. It is the bicycle slippery when wet ahead sign. Guess this sign. A. Truck height limit. B. Height restriction ahead. Perfect. It is the truck height limit sign. Identify this road sign. A. State bicycle route. B. Bicycle route marker. Well spotted. It is the bicycle route marker sign. What does this sign mean? A. Hospital. B. First aid. Correct. It is the hospital sign. Guess this road sign. A. One way, left. B. Straight through only. Excellent. It is the straight through only sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Slow. B. Stop sign. Right. It is the slow sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Bump. B. Uneven surface. Well spotted. It is the bump sign. What is this road sign? A. Litter container. B. No littering. Exactly. It is the no littering sign. Identify this road sign. A. Skier crossing. B. Snowmobile crossing. Right. It is the skier crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. Reverse curve, left. B. Reverse turn, left. Excellent. It is the reverse curve left sign. What does this sign indicate? A. No snowmobiles. B. No all-terrain vehicles. Correct. It is the no all-terrain vehicles sign. Identify this road sign. A. Bear crossing. B. Bare area. Well spotted. It is the bare area sign. Guess this sign. A. Construction ahead. B. Detour ahead. Right. It is the detour ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Reverse curve, right? B. Reverse turn, right. Perfect. It is the reverse curve right sign. Identify this road sign. A. No right turn for trucks. B. No right turn. Exactly. It is the no right turn for trucks sign. Guess this road sign. A. No stopping. B. Temporary no stopping. Good catch. It is the temporary no stopping sign. What does this sign mean? A. Railroad crossing, cross buck. B. Railway crossing ahead. Right. It is the railway crossing ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Passenger only ferry terminal. B. Vehicle ferry terminal. Well spotted. It is the passenger only ferry terminal sign. Guess this road sign. A. Curve left. B. Turn left. Excellent. It is the curve left sign. What does this traffic sign indicate? A. Flagger ahead. B. Traffic control flagger ahead. Perfect. It is the traffic control flagger ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. No waiting. B. No hitchhiking. Right. It is the no hitchhiking sign. Guess this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Rest area. Well spotted. It is the tourist information sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. U.S. route marker, 3 digits. B. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. Right. It is the interstate route marker, 3 digits sign. What is this road sign? A. Snowmobile crossing. B. Snowmobile trail. Excellent. It is the snowmobile crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. Parking area. B. Park and ride. Perfect. It is the park and ride sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bicycle lane ends. B. Bicycle route marker. Right. It is the bicycle lane end sign. Guess this sign. A. State route marker, 2 digits. B. county route marker. Well spotted. It is the county route marker sign. Identify this road sign. A. Bicycle and pedestrians. B. Two-way traffic. Good observation. It is the bicycle and pedestrian sign. Guess this road sign. A. Bike lane. B. Motorcycle, plaque. Excellent! It is the motorcycle, plaque sign. Identify this road sign. A. Two-way bicycle lane crossing. B. Bicycle and pedestrians. Perfect. It is the two-way bicycle lane crossing sign. Guess this road sign. A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Truck rollover warning. Right. It is the truck rollover warning sign. That concludes today's video. If you want to stay up to date with the latest road sign guides, tips, and study materials, hit subscribe so that you don't miss out. Continue practicing with these videos on your screen, and success is assured.